Welcome to the Resource Finder. Pick your filters to find community-based resources in the area which you're looking for. First, select your state and then further your region. Choose your town, or you can select all localities to see every resource in that region. Input the age of the person seeking services or leave the age blank to list all services. Check one or more of the types of services you're looking for. Then choose a list view or a map view. Here you'll get an alphabetical list of resources that meets your criteria, or you can search for one in here. Choose the resource you're looking for, and you'll get the details page. You'll look at the category that the resource falls under, the ages, genders, contact information, website, address, application requirements and restrictions if there are any, a brief description of what the resource is, and the last time the resource was updated in the app. From here you can look at the print view and print out this list of resources that meets your criteria. You can do so by right-clicking and hitting print. Further, you can look at it on a map. So here you have all of the same resources just in a map view, and you can go ahead and click on one there and brings you to the same page. And it is that simple.